How to unblock people on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unblock people on Messenger. Now unblocking on Messenger is quite easy. First, if you open up Messenger app here, you'll get a chat list here. Now if you tap and hold on the chat list, you'll find an option to block at the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on block and you'll get two different options. Now unblocking your user that you have blocked on Messenger depends on which option you have chosen. Now if you tap on block messages and calls here, you can see they'll only be blocked from Messenger, and unblocking them is quite simple. Simply open up your Messenger and on the chat history or chat list, tap and hold and then tap on unblock option at the bottom of your screen, and again tap on unblock messages and calls, the same place you found the block option, you'll find the unblock option. Tap on unblock and then they'll be unblocked. Now this is if you have blocked them only on Messenger. However, if you have blocked them on Facebook, now if you tap and hold here and if you tap on block, and if you have blocked them on Facebook, then you'll have to open up Facebook to unblock them. Simply open up your Facebook here, and once you open up Facebook, what you want to do is tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on settings here, and if you scroll way down below here under audience and visibility, you'll find the option blocking. Tap on blocking and you'll find all your blocked list here. Now to unblock someone, all you have to do is tap on the unblock option at the right hand side of the screen that you'll find just beside the username. Tap on unblock there and then simply tap on unblock again and they'll be unblocked. So this way you can unblock someone on Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.